I'll probably watch your next vlog already. If you don't watch it, go check it out in order to keep up with all the go on. I do a series passing 100k account, showing the full transparency, getting a payout and things in me. So I showing the trades when I take win loss, I showing the passing or failing, and I showing the payout or not. So full 100% transparency I showed up with this challenge. So I will check out the next part, and if you don't watch off the next part, much respect because the video they're really long. This one and gonna be so long through me do the whole platform breakdown. But yeah, it's currently 8:25, 5 more minutes before the market open. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just look on price, what happened overnight and thing, because as you know, I already know, if I don't know, I already have the whole entire chart markup, so I don't really have to worry about no chart markup. We just want to see what happened overnight, alright? So we can know what to expect going into the new day. So right now, I'm the chart pull up right here, so I'll go ahead now, go over it and think, see the news, the data, and then now I look at me sit down set up, show it to you guys, and then now we attack it. I just do my market job. Actually I look for some sales this morning, so we have beautiful SMT of high of day. Right, see the SMP never take this high, but Nasdaq it out. So beautiful SMT. Only thing we want to see, and we want to see a nice pullback. So we look on 5, we currently have formed this. Right, hold on. So we currently have formed this. This is a beautiful fair value gap right here, it's upon 5. So we just want to see price come back into it. Now give me like a lower time frame entry confirmation, then I take a sales target. I really like them key level here, but the lower, I like the lower a lot. So I'm going to target either them key level here or the lower. So this is a counter trend trade. But remember, me is a scalper slash intraday trader, so it don't matter for me. Alright, we just want to go where the liquidity I go for the session. So we're going to watch this how it develop, and then we'll look at trade. So this chart kind of messy, but you get a trade right here, so right. I almost come to stops today, so we enter it over here. So we pull over this, boom, come literally like a pip, also below my stops, like literally a little small pip. They run back down. Soon as it come back down to we can pull this over so I can swim me at all. So as soon as it come back down and break right down here, so they end up with my stops a break even. Price come back and break even me. So this trade end up being a break even. So I will just document this as a break even. So let me just put in my journal 1 minute. Alright, so this one. So this was a break even, right? But when you do the deep pullback, come back up here, so we end up secure an entry. Which one? I think of this. So I think it was right here, so put my stops right at this high, and me target a 1 to 5 point something. Think down here, so me target here. So this is the second entry me take up here. So if you break even on the first one, that was because me in the second entry. So I say alright, if it's play, but if you break even, no matter can I get a nice entry. So I go see what the one you play out and think, and then make sure now I go. So we are getting drop. Currently break even, and if you look at SMP, like SMP take a lead today, man, today. Like SMP just a drop, but not as a slower period today. But we're almost there at TP still. I put my stops aside. My stops set up here, so man. I add up to 1.5, I think up here. So I can't get to record the phone because the phone me I use and record. Camera battery, them dead. See, charge your battery, not at all. So I have to record it my phone, but what I go do? I go do a screen recording my position and the break even and showing it. But if we get TP on that one here, we pass phase 2. You see me, and this was managed very good. Because the first position I get, right? Me enter the next one with a 1% possible loss. Normally me take 2 trades CD, right? So if me done 2% for the day, me done. If me get 1 win, me done. If me get a win and a loss, no, if me get a loss and a win, me done. That's how me trade, you understand? So the second position, me needed willing. That was a calculative risk for my end. Me needed willing for risk and next 1%. And just say, alright, if them 2 position here clap me out, then me done feed here. Me get my 2% loss, come back tomorrow and call it a day. You understand? Because I see the trade, it was very beautiful, very, very A+ setup. So I say, you know what, I have a risky and scaling on a position here. And then now break even next one and come back in profit. So we can take off like a risk off the table and see there. I get the break even and now this about the TP. Like literally 240 TP and trade stops. Because we now want to know if you're gap. So when I say, I don't know if you're gap, you come. And then now you go shoot up back. So the trade stops and it with me. 12-1. If you keep on a cut off because my phone full. So I definitely need to find me my camera charger. But yeah, as I say, I break my rules today. But I break my rules, psychology get the best of me. And these are things we not really talk about in a trading, but real, like actually real. And I think no amount of years of experience can really perfect your psychology. You get better, yes, but perfection, no. Because I get 200 away from passing the challenge, right? Trade start pull back, my trade, me stop tight, which thank God say me trade it tight because I show you where I'm going soon. But my trade, me stop last tight, stop me on for 3,800 and something dollar. And I say, alright. Me see what part of the market I look like you want to reverse, you know. I'm gonna take a 1-to-1. Shouldn't trade again. Because my rule is 1 trade for the day, winning trade, done. As I mentioned earlier, right? We get a winner. I should have wait until tomorrow. I look at next 1-to-1. But I see the setup right in front of me and I say, alright. Now a decision to make right now. Either I'm gonna make a setup that pass me, or I'm gonna execute money and just take the risk. And just break my rule and say, let me take the 1-to-1. Take the 1-to-1. Boom, 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 boom. Play out, challenge pass. So it's a bit of sweet moment because yeah, it's a good thing if you know some pass, you know, but you don't want to keep these bad habits and make it a habit. You understand? And fall back in another loophole the way we fight so hard for come out over how much years. Like we try to get discipline in our trading and we try to be consistent, you understand, with the discipline. So we don't really want to support bad habits. So whenever time we depend on the bad habit trade, it's not a good feeling because it's like a snowball effect. You understand? But if me did a trade like live account and me get that 3,800 I win, one of the reason for about the much trade because when I even close it right before it TP, because I like me have to force a 5k if I get the 4,800 I take it. You understand? But during night challenge phase it just mess up. But done for the day. It's currently 10:14. I'm sure now I go up on the charter now. So it's 10:14 Jamaican time and now so I can see right. So 11:14 American time. Done for the day. See trader. So the trade end up pull back. Vloop all the way back up. That now would have mess up my psychology way more. Trust me, like way more. So thank God me trade it. And this was where the trade was supposed to take me out. Could they man? Alright, this way, you know. But so it was still. Nonetheless, beautiful day. I'm gonna do one now. I'm gonna pull up the dashboard for you, I'm gonna see it. And I'm gonna see say challenge pass. So we fully funded now. And now we're gonna start make a bag. So part 2 of the series complete. Alright, so this is the dashboard now. And then give me 67% win rate. What am I do? Well, now give me 67%. Well, I'll wipe out the camera. Well, them give me 67% win rate, and me have 1 loss and 2 win. 1 break even, but it's a negative 9 cents basically, and them commission and a break even. So yeah guys, let's see the dashboard here. Where me see the trades them. Oh, so 3 trades, right? So see the 3 trades, the break even, the big win, and the small scalp for the 1-to-1. So as you can see here, so if you see the break even here, negative 9%. This was the second one to put it $3,822. And this was a scalp for what is that, 2,000 and 2,000. It's 1,000. I understand that. I understand why I say that amount. But yeah, 3 trades, and as you can see on the calendar. See them now advance the next stage, ready to advance, come up. We get the email say congrats, you have passed. So we're fully funded now with Pro Trader funds. So we're gonna start trade live now. And yeah, so challenge now. Alright, we can't speak for nobody else, but for me personally, like maybe not the challenge from 2021. So yeah, from 2021 maybe not the challenge with FTMO. Small account though, like 10k account, 20k account, the biggest news to go in time. I always feel them, so me used to do all challenge thing, and because them time of the way I used to risk like literally 1% of the capital when you give for lose. So if me get a 10k account and I can lose 1,000, me I risk 10% of what I can lose. When me I take win loss and you did add up and the money now make sense, me go big, and then now me lose big amount. I take a bigger trade, lose a bigger amount, blow the account then. So being at the platform good one now until we finally figure out, alright, this is how you approach it. You have to take actually 1% risk of the initial overall big balance. You understand? Say it's 100k at $1,000 of risk. You may understand? Say in reality it's 10%, but if we look on it, so we can't open this challenge, we're not gonna make the money. You understand? So being a do it for a while, so I see if we ticket them there. I have one in Pro Trader funds too. Like I need to put up on the wall. I put it over there, so I think. But yeah, I may have even Apex if we ticket them in a print. So I pass Apex, I pass Top Step, I pass FTMO, I pass my funded trade or whatever, the one you get close, and I pass Pro Trader funds already. Pass here again. I pass my next one name Apex. So I get one heap of funded through me 5 year. One heap of them I pass. So I used to the whole passing of a prop firm. So it's so I feel good for passing, but it's not like a whoa, like yeah, me finally funded. No, like being a do it, you understand? And I know exactly how to pass them. So don't advise if you follow me. If your strategy different, so let's say you're a person with trade 1 to 2. Don't follow me and try to switch a 1 to 2 to 1 to 5. You try and pass in a one trade. Know that are my everyday trades. 1 to 4, 1 to 5 minimum every single day. Alright? Sometimes I can get even up to 1 to 10, depending on the range of the move. So don't try to follow me and change the strategy just to pass in a day. You understand? Me can pass challenges in a day. Because as I say, my risk to reward ratio. If I'm lucky enough to get winning like a win upon a good risk to reward ratio, me can pass my challenges. You understand? So don't follow me. Risk on 1% and trade on trade if I 1 to 2. I don't have to take on 1 to 2 and take on time pass my challenge if I have 1 to 1. Take on time and pass it. Because me take my time, me just lucky enough to get 2 winning day back to back. You understand? So don't follow me trade within the rules. But apart from that, what am I going to do now? I will go to gym. I go to gym really, I want to go in the evening, but I feel energized, so I will go now, get something to eat, go to gym now, come back home. The next video edit, I just need to make a thumbnail, I need to make like a short so that I also post for my Instagram and my TikTok. And start edit this phone. But I'm gonna drop this phone tomorrow Wednesday. I'm going till about Thursday, so if you drop this one, give it a little space. And drop the next part now when you start trading life capital. And trading the life capital, I'm going to go small up on the risk, and I'm going to risk like 0.5% per trade. So give myself more breathing room for keep your account longer. You understand? So instead of having 10 trades, if you blow your account, I have 20. And that will make you feel more of a real account. So that's how I manage risk. Aggressive pan and funded phase, not really aggressive, but bigger risk pan funded phase, smaller risk pan actual being funded. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to advance this right now, get the credentials and log in. And tomorrow I'm going to back at it. No more trades today. Today was a kind of harder day. It wasn't really consistent in terms of order flow. The first position, the trade breakdown. I mean, if you go in the trade breakdown, why I take the first position. So let me do that now before me go up on the gym. And I make the video too long. Alright, so first position, right? Let me just go on a quick breakdown because I want to clean up my charts to for start job for tomorrow. But let me go on a quick breakdown for the first position. Right? Remember I'm telling you about the whole 8E entry model. So if you notice here, so we have the fair value gap. We actually had two this morning. So we have 1 year so and we have 1 year so. Where price tap into and sweep a short term high, and then it invert the fair value gaps. So it invert both of them, right? But the reason why I take the first position in here so was off of this with the same A to E pattern. So if we draw A to E, so we have A, B, C, D, come back down here so, and then E, right? So me notice the prices are tap into this inverted, like bodies them now close over it, you just keep on a chucky. Now get the body close. So I say, okay, since as we now get the body close, I go enter this. But just to be safe, let me set my stop loss at the high of this one. But I think I set it a little bit lower, or I think I set it about here so. Look a bit above this gap. Right? So I set it about here so I think where it almost step me out. And I say I enter it here so I get like look a breathing room and hope me the target back. Asia lows. I have everything marked up. So this red line here so Asia lows. Right, me target Asia lows first and this key level below Asia lows. So a nice 1 to 4 where I get out I trade. So I say alright, let me chance it here. So I even send it to the signal group. So I show where we send it to the signal group. So this is it right here. So we send it to the signal group as you can see. Send it out to them credential and everything. So I say alright, let me short here so. In the trade drop up profit, I think at this point we're up almost 1% here. So I say alright, look good. I watch you and see a play, we now break even, I want to see a proper displacement below this low. And then now me trade me stop, not at break even, but above this high right, one of them high here. So price come back all the way up. Almost hit my TP, like literally 1 pip. 1 single pip for my TP, for my stop loss, I should say. I said, damn, I get a loss for the first part of phase 2. So I said, no problem. So you go. Go down for the 1 minute now. So I take off this here, like how I show you breakdown for this. So I go down for the 1 minute now, and what I see is the CMA to E pattern, but a bit different, right? So price create the high here, so but look on this fair value gap here, so let's say if I see this every day, I take it. This would be A, B, C. We get the inverted and the fair value gap with this candle and come back up E, right? And that is where we get the entry on this one. So I say right now, we see the A to E pattern of we sweep out these small buy sides in here, so me even have a mark off them small highs here in here, so we sweep them out. So this is a relatively equal high. We sweep them out, we get the A to E pattern. Also inside of the next 5 minute fair value gap, I'm going to tell you say 2 of them farm in the next one as well. So I say alright, I'm going to try this. Put my stops here, so if you come above this, won't have an interest night. So I say I'm going to try this. I'm going to risk 1% here, so I'll keep my 1% risk up there. So if this come back and take me out, the worst case scenario, I just down 2% for the day and I call it a day. So I try it and see how it play out. Drop, come back up, test again, Then it just once we see break below this low here, so I'll close my break even. And could all the way to TP. And watch now. What if me just be stubborn now and say, alright then, I go hold out this trade. Because I thought hit the actual TP. You could have break even more than I go back, That would have messed up my psychology on a different level. So, thank God say me trade. Even though I break my rule, but me trade. And yeah, trade end up play up beautiful. I almost get TP. No man, yes, I missed that last time. And I 1 to 4. A trade that was a 1 to 4. I'm an entry push up. Hold on there. This trade was a 1 to. Watch for me enter this. I know some stops this somewhere up here, so I think I hear some enter, man, because the original TP was 1 to 5 here, so I think me enter it yeah, a bit above here, so yeah, above here, so me enter it. Got my TP there 1 to 5 there, so yeah, beautiful trade. Meet all of my rules, them two of them are A plus setup, just that one give me break even and one play out, so grateful nonetheless. Oh, and the last entry I take for the 1 to 1 was, you see this week right here, so them 2 week here, very powerful. And as I say, we now want to know a fair value gap. I just see my mark off here, so the yellow box. So when I see them 2 week here form, that after I close the trade, I see market push up and close above this high right here, so I say damn, this possible if you give me some retracement, if I even back in that fair value gap here, that retrace. So what I do is I wait for the pullback here, so I'm enter it right on the pullback right in here, so I'm showing the execution them on a screenshot. So I put up a screenshot here, so with all of the execution. So enter it here, so I just target a bit below the fair value gap here, so I put my stop loss here, so if you are 1 to 1, because I say alright then this 1 to 1 is very very possible, because this area is not tested. Price can come test it and continue chop, but I know say definitely I go push go up in there, so I'm just take the 1 to 1 here. So there upon the Wednesday, market open next 4 minutes. So good news and kind of bad news. So the bad news is I break my rule and got trade yesterday. Alright, and mind me if you don't see me look where I talk to, not to where I look for my charts to job for the morning. But yeah, we break my rules and got trade yesterday. But I break it for a reason. Yeah, so I not try to drop like a full passing and payout content for you guys, you understand? And seeing that my past feels too so fast, you say alright, let me just try to get a good trade and make some money, take a payout and show you guys the whole process. So that was my thought process in the moment. So what end up happening is we end up get a trade during Asia session last night. So I show on each trader now, I end up take, as I say, Asian session, I take this position. Nice 1 to 8 and profit 4k on it. So I show the trade. Alright, so this is a trade here, so alright. Nice 1 to k, so 1 to 8 I should say. So I'm going to go on a quick breakdown as to why I take a trade. So from yesterday, the trade I take yesterday. Alright, now the trade I take the clear off it. Or am I supposed to clear off it? So the trade I take from yesterday, right? I want the sellers to come back down to where market end up coming at the PM session. So AM yesterday did slow, PM pick up the speed. So you see this 1 hour fair value gap here, so been one market come into it. And if you go up on the 4 hour time frame, you can see where we have like a weak liquidity right here. So right, so we have a weak liquidity right here, so right above this big open gap, and down on the 1 hour we get a more refined 1 hour fair value gap. Also these lows are Asia low, right? So been once the price comes down against us, so I used to make that originally sell the first position in my break even upon. right? But as I say, AM session, a whole of this here in here, so choppy, slow price action, and then now the PM just give this big sell off. So once you reach into that low now, that's where me see the setup during Asia session. Right, so the grey box here you wanna see is a Asia. So if you notice, dipping on the low, push out right here, so break above them higher. I'm here by side, so break above them higher, come back down, but look what happen when you come back down, we form these equal lows right here. So right, at first you look like you're 70 as you see me having mark this way, but when I see price come back, you just take it as an equal low, so we put the X there. So you have them equal low here and price sweep it right here. So right, so let me see that happen. I depend on 1 minute time frame. I'm sorry, let me see what price do after I sweep. I'm now on a rush position. So what end up happening is we get the sweep, price push out, beautiful push out, and then now as you see we have the measuring tool here, so with the 50% of the range. Alright, I want to look for 50% of the range, line up back with this right here, so beautiful. So as soon as we see price come here, so right, it was an aggressive entry, but as soon as we see price come here, so I stop. Me first I look for A to E pattern. Come here and see it, and come back up another fair value gap here, test it, then we get the inverted. But I see price invert the fair value gap first. I say and I'm sure I take it here. So but then now I say I think price I go and fly up and leave this big open gap here. So right, if one big one here below this one, then yeah, you could have test one and leave the next one. But if you have this big obvious button gap here, so you know the price I go most likely want to come back and test it. So set an entry here, so look bit about the 50% and put my stop loss underneath the fair value gap. And as you can see, the trade just fly up. Right, and we made a target was this 1 hour fair value gap right in here. So made a target and the trade just fly up, hit me TP, and just turn back. So I hit TP to the pip, turn back, consolidate, push up again, and you give one a big drop here in London. So that is a trade that I take. So when I go to in idea. So when I go to in idea now, I go request a withdraw. The account I originally get isn't a 24-hour payout account, it's a 7-day payout account. Right, but what I do is we reach out to them and just not explain to them, because me have a relationship with them and thing, and so I explain to them, sir, then we just want something for the video for people can see, say, oh, the thing legit and people can trust the broker, you understand? Trust the proper firm and thing. And we done pass the challenge already, it don't make sense to pass it, and then I have to go wait all a 7 day or so to get a payout, and then now, you know, this whole entire thing a draw, the whole season made a draw. Right, so we just want to do everything and show you guys, because I have a phase 2, to tell you truth, I never expect to pass phase 2 like yesterday. I say I'd probably make it like a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 4 trader. So I probably, by the time I partially do to a market and move, we get one 2.5, probably 3% feeding and come back to the and pass it. But fortunately enough for me, we get the setup, take the risk and me end up pass it. So I say alright, let me just work with the payout phase now and make people see what I go on. And lucky enough, when I reach out to them did so professional, them understand the situation, and say alright, them are go do it for me, make it push through and so forth and so forth. So really appreciate that from them. And when me even love when them start to do now, let's say you use my link and you buy a account, right, and you have the issue, you can reach out to me directly. But anyone on my socials, reach out to me directly and me can reach out to them and have a result faster more than you without customer care or so, because me talk directly to them, you understand? So that is a good thing about the company as well. Really appreciate that what them do. for them clients. Alright, like be more supportive. So if you guys purchase our account with the link in the description and you don't have any issue at all, any issue, either payout issue, purchasing an account issue, any issue, just link me and then me run it by them and make you guys get a follow up and help solve it. But yeah man, we are late this morning. It's currently 8:34 now. As you can see, the price start drop there already. So something I set up. Buys me want to see though. So I'm gonna go price a drop. So I go do my overview now. I'm sure I do it already when we get up late. I go do my overview now and see what I have for the day. I not trade the fund today because let me say I already secure a payout, so I just make that go and sit. The social the amount. So I make that go and sit and just trade my other fund did on my personal today. And yeah, get into it. Alright, so the account here currently I sit at 104,000. So this is the account there now, but apart from that we just get a trade on NAS 100. So with a too long enter it. Right after we get the same 80E setup from showing up on previous vlog. Get the 80E setup, but we get a deeper pullback down into this inverted fair value gap and do a beautiful reaction out of it. So on this one we are target let me see, we are target 1 to 4.8 with TP1 being right here. So and just send it out to the signal group. So yeah, make we see how that one play out. As I say, I not trade the funded today. Not trade the funded today. Right, just secure the payout here, lock it in, and then we start trading back again. So we'll just step on the personal and run up it today, and the other funded. So we see how the day go for it. So you know how I go on. I don't know if I chum tweet or how I go on a while ago, but Panakanglia man. Backside 1 long week. But I stop here there break even still. I tell everybody to break even, so we end up this stuff to break even for now. Yeah. So no loss. Thanks be to God for look at break even. All this. Cha. Watch the day still and see if we get that more for the day. You know this can go lower. This can continue to go lower. See this aggressive drop. We can come and sweep London low, so watch it and see if we take it then we get the next entry. Or if this break can go higher, we just wait for the next entry, see if the break can go higher, we wait for the next entry, see if we rush back into it. Just watch how it develop. Alright, so another update for now, which is a error on my end. So I look a bit of misinformation earlier in the video. So I end up reach out to him because as I say today me if you do the withdrawal. But me never understand the whole 24-hour concept. Because that new to me when you come on to prop. I never understand how that apartment thing say alright, then I can get a payout within 24 hours of having an account. I can get funded 24 after I get a payout. Alright, so we never understand that part. So luckily enough, it's a good for ask question. I ask and them inform me that it's the same rule, which is you have to have 14 days for trade, 14 total days with your account. 7 of those days a place a trade, and then you can request a withdrawal. So me never know that. So all the 24-hour coming now is when you request a withdrawal, you get it within 24 hours. So good thing I reach out to them and inform you that, so I not give you guys this information. And them say you have to do at least 5% in profit of the total balance of your account. So if you have 100k, you have to have 5 grand. If you have 5 grand, 5% any account size you have. So we end up take a trade. Because really and truly, you know, have an account, a trade. If you like, see, I try to trade it for make money for like see I make money out of the account. Yeah. I really for the challenge, I do it for. You understand? So you see soon I can just get you out of the way and just have it one side and just focus back on my personal thing. I do that. Once the challenge completed, then me put full focus on the account. Because me personally, that are better for my psychology. You understand? If me know certain persons are watch the challenge when you pass and up the period, like it I put this like pressure upon my face, say alright then boom boom boom. You know me I take me in the funded phase now, people are watch. So if me can secure the minimum, I good with that, there's no greed to it. Alright, so I end up take a next trade. Small 1 to 2.3 trade. And now the account balance is at if you can see it, $5,345. So now I'm measure just a small scalp in about 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm showing it real quick where I enter. I take it off of my screen, but I'm showing where I enter it. So I enter it right below this low. Then I enter it to see the candle close. So a nice 1 to 2 points. So I take off it and I take it back to this high. Alright, because you have a fair value gap over here, so I just take it back to this high here, so and it just run up. So quick look on scalp. Again, I don't advise not to do anything. Me just do it personally because I get a good trade last night in Asia. Trade play beautiful and thing. You know, make a certain percentage. I'm work with this and withdraw it. Me never know say I feel 5%. See the opportunity, just take it and just say, let me just lock the account and just focus on my personal. Until the payout hit, then now we can go all in on the account and just run it up. But as apart from that, just want to show you guys the full transparency of what it takes to take a funded account, pass it, trade it and get a payout. That's the whole concept of this series, you understand? So sorry say I have to draw it so long though for 2 weeks, but so you go. When I go to me while in 2 weeks, I not go trade this account, you know, for the next 2 weeks. But still I go share my trade ideas with you guys and so forth and keep you guys updated with all the account go on and thing. Although I not go trade it, so one thing I go to a place like some trades just add up for 7 days, but I not place some big trade for say I try make this and this amount. Just want to open up a nice position. If I be free, if you take the same trades and but less risk, you know, just if you add up for the days them. So I'll close off this one then right here, so now bother extending out until the PO reach and whatever. I'll close it off here, so phase 2 complete, payment secure, payout secure I should say, and we just wait now for 14 days, and then now we request a payout, show you guys the full transaction and show how that go. So much respect, hope you enjoy the series so far. Full transparency as you can see, so make sure you take note of things and try to learn from this as well, because a whole lot of knowledge in it. Tired, so I go all asleep now, and now 11 o'clock, so call it a day. Catch you guys on the next one.